All right, everybody, back out trying to match up that other side if I can. We're going to kind of meander through here, work our way right back to where I found that one, and then I'm going to kind of grid search around that area a little bit and see if we can't pick up the other side, or maybe another shed in general from another buck. So we shall see. Rishi, find the antler. She's trying. She's definitely sniffing around pretty good. I feel like if she comes close enough to a fresh one, she'll probably pick it up. We'll see. She's still learning. Balloons. I hate balloons. No. Pack this away. Frickin' balloons. So many of these you find in the woods. They say, oh, where you find a balloon is where the big bucks live, which maybe. I mean, there's definitely a nice one in here. But I feel like I find balloons everywhere. Everywhere. So I am standing in the exact spot that I picked up that shed the other day. That was on Saturday. Today's Tuesday. And there is just a ton of sign in here, especially back this way. I'm hoping Rishi, I mean, there's so many smells, but I'm hoping she'll be able to pick it up if she gets close enough to one. We'll see. It could be anywhere. It could be a lot farther than right in this area, but there's a good chance it could be laying right in here, and there's a good chance there's other ones, because I had several on that game camera that had shed a while back, at least a month ago. Shed right there. She's really sniffing around. There could be another one up in there. But she's also really hyper today. Good girl. Good girl. Reesh, good girl. Here, bring here. Drop. Good girl. Hey, hey. Here. Good girl. Give me that. Give me that, you silly. You gotta work on you from bringing them back a little better, girl. Just a little guy. Little 4-point on this side. But we'll take it. It's not the match. But it's a shed. Following this pretty decent trail right to this nice scrape here. There's some bigger droppings there. Hey, don't eat those. Must be a big buck in this area too, huh? Must be. You always pick up the garbage, Rishi. Always pick up garbage. Don't walk past it, right? Yeah. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up this video. I appreciate you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you're not already subscribed, consider subscribing so you don't miss any future content. And stay tuned for the next Backwoods Pursuits video. Are you falling asleep?